It's a tractor time. Do 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 do. It's a tractor time. Do 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 do. Tractor time. Do 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 do. Do you wait? Do you wait, guys? Are you waiting for this tractor review from Will's Hot channel? Hello, everybody! Don't forget about likes. Don't forget about subscribe, and don't forget about writing a comment to this video, guys. Let's make review for the Siku tractor. Siku tractor. Woo! Okay. We have today a Siku tractor and a bonus content for the end of this review. So what about Siku tractor? It's a New Holland tractor. You can see model here T8319 with the wonderful stairs to the cabin. Oh, I'm sorry. This tractor have a wonderful plastic wheels, big wheels on the back, little wheels on the front, and you can see here wonderful white wheel discs, a really wonderful wheel discs. This tractor have a plastic base made in China. You can see numbers here. This tractor is from a German Siku company. I didn't see Siku. Here is Siku logo. Siku from Germany. Okay, wonderful plastic base. And the case is made from metal, but it's very light. It's very light tractor. This tractor is very, very light. Oh. Brrr, brrr, brrr. Nice. Let's turn this on and check weight for this tractor, guys. Oh, it's not a tractor. It's my watches. Heavy watches. Light tractor. 27 grams. Only 27 grams. For example, a bus from Mažurad. 48 grams. And this only, you can see here, only 27. Okay, light tractor from Siku. I think we can try this on the track, but I don't think it will be possible to make a track racing for this because of its wide base. You can see here big, wonderful big wheels. The base is very wide on this tractor. For example, Mažurad, wide tractor. For example, Hot Wheels BMW, and the tractor is the widest car from these three cars. It's very wide. I don't think it will be compatible to the Hot Wheels track. Nope, it will not. So we can't do racing with this tractor. It's only stay for my wonderful collection. My first review for Siku, guys. My first review for Siku. Okay, what do we have for the surprise? To the end of this video, I promise you to make one surprise. And surprise, this wonderful Hot Wheels Aristo Red. A wonderful racing car. Looking like one car from a Wacky Racing cartoon. Yes, Soul. You're making me to watch some Wacky Racing cartoons, and that car is looking like it was in the Wacky Racing. What it should be on Wacky Racing. It have a glow wheels, wonderful plastic base, and a wonderful metal case. So let's unbox it. Put. Oh, almost ready. It's done. It's from Glow Wheels collection. A wonderful racing car. You can see here Glow G10 logo on the side. Hot Wheels logo and wonderful, wonderful paint with the stars on it. Very brilliant paint, very wonderful red paint. A little wheels on the front. Yeah, they're glowing in the night. This car should be fast, and I think we will use this car on the track. When review for the 4 car will be ready, I will put this 4 car on the track. Tractor can't be on the track because he's wide base, as I said before. So this is my surprise. It's a glowing wheels, wonderful car. The name for this car is Aristo Red DTX 10 2016 from Mattel, made in Malaysia, of course. Plastic base, glowing wonderful plastic wheels with black spins here. A wonderful paint, and I love this motor section on the front, looking very great. Black interior inside, racing interior with only one seat inside, very detailed. A wonderful thing on the roof, maybe it's for turbo or something. Write in the comments, please, guys. Write in the comments about it. So, what to wait for this car. And the weight for this car is 30 grams. This tractor was 27 grams. This racing car is 30 grams. It's heavier. It's heavier than tractor. And this is wonderful. It can be very fast on the track. It can be very fast on our Hot Wheels track. I love also this back side of this car. A wonderful green mint. Very attractive color on the back side. And the back side for the cargo, maybe. I think it's maybe for cargo. Please write in comments for what this section is. A very wonderful hybrid of car. It's a hybrid. It's really a hybrid. I very love how they do it. This is fantastic racing car, guys. And it will be it will be so wonderful on the track for sure. And the preview for the next review will be this on the next review. Do you want to see this? Guys, this review on my channel, please write in the comments. This 5-pack. Do you want to see a review for this? Please write in the comments. So, bye guys. It was a review for a tractor and review for this wonderful car. See you later. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to write the comments after you watch it. It was a Wheels Hot channel, and it was a Victor.